kabiri lubaire mwena mwendage kuba omuno kadigido nakutyaimemu afunvuwe kobayise bantu gabula natyo kowokuna tuduke baba atereire gabula atereire Busoga atereire ali mwalamula atereire tuduke baba atereire ali mu ntebe ye uyo baba uyo uyo iseife ali mu ntebe ye uyo baba uyo iseife ali mu ntebe ye Busoga banange mwebala okusaba musala daife mwava kya mugaso twasabanga omusala n'obwire okukya nga tusabira Obusoga okwira awalala anti ebyobuwangwa byali biri kusaanawo aye Katonda yamala yakkiriza Busoga yatereera tuli otiise tetwisa kirala watereera okyabasoga nsente twisa kirala twayira walala bwe tubona baba nga tumwaniriza ise bantu gabula nadyo peyi kobaini lya mpiti toli lya kalanga kalera baana atafumbisa mperere baba lwayanika amazzi gatona oyo ikunganya n'ababisi baba ali kutonya amazzi gani mutonya musayi zoba mutesi akamwenu ka baba na kampali enseko kumatama niwe mbatinize mumpe mpanda neifumonine wano kumuti nikulinda oyanagema kulata waife nakumwamira eifumo ebyenda bimweyuwe mutyabula empuli obweni bubwikuke amakadaga gemanoti gema ndeete ensumulu bwena abatebuze nje mu kibali mufunte bwatolye eriiso litumemu nani anagema kwise bantu bwendowooza eriina ly'olwisi mwenamu eriina livugira bulungi oti musokolome uyo baba uyo ali kwikonero uyo iseife uyo ali mu ntebe ye uyo baba uyo ali kwikonero uyo iseife uyo musibe nkine mu ncamwike kanabatanca mwike encamwike kulwa iseife encamwike musibe nkine mu ncamwike kanabatanca mwike encamwike kulwa iseife encamwike tuduke yani kine kulwa laka leka mbibye tuduke yani kulwa laka leka tuke tuduke yani mwaile kulwa laka leka ngemu gabula diope ekisagasa kitali wansolo baba atereire gabula atereire Busoga atereire ali mwalamula atereire
Other than this partnership that you are coming with, I am informed that you are in manufacturing, you are in engineering, where we think that we can also have you as partners in future to put up incubation centers. So once again, I'm happy and I welcome you to the kingdom, and I thank you for choosing us as your partners.
Education initiative for your interest in the performance of our schools, the performance of our children in this region of Busoga. In Busoga region, we have 15 local governments. Those are 11 districts, 1 city, and 3 municipal councils. 1 city and 3 municipal councils. We have 1,443 primary schools in the region. And these schools are all public schools, and they are in the program of universal primary education. We want to thank Busoga Education Initiative for the memorandum they signed with the Ministry of Education and Sports to improve the standards of education in the region. This came as a concern and a result of the poor performance of our schools countrywide. One year it came that in the performance at primary living examinations, among the worst 10 districts in the country, 6 of them were from Busoga region. This caused the formation of the Busoga Education Initiative because of the concern of the poor performance, and yet Busoga used to be among the best in the country in terms of performance. Access education so that they're in schools, to be retained in schools so that they finish the level, and also to complete primary education. We are trying to implement a competence-based curriculum which enables children after a level to is that many of our children, about 70% of the children in Busoga, go to school but do not have a meal at school. Because of that, many of them achieve from morning to around 11 a.m. and after that, when they are taught in class, they achieve nothing because a hungry child cannot achieve academically. We thank you, the Chinese Association, for thinking about Busoga and wishing to tackle one of the pertinent issues which are weakening the education of the region.
For feeding program for the children, we are here at the headquarters of Obwakyabazinga, Busoga. I want to be brief because already the education manager has mentioned many problems of education in Busoga, but one of the most difficult things that we have found when we are dealing with the problems of education in Busoga was mainly on the feeding program. Many children go to school without food, and therefore when they reach there because they are hungry, they don't concentrate. So as Busoga Education Initiative, when we did a needs assessment in 2017, we found that that was one of the biggest problems, and we decided to bank on that one, and we go around schools every year together with the Viva College And we talk to the parents, we talk to the students, we talk to the headmasters, we talk to the teachers, counseling them to understand the importance of education, but at the same time to put together a program that would push their children to go to school, things like the feeding program.
所以在过去几年，他们一直是和这些每一年会走访所有的学校，和他们的家长、和这些孩子、和老师，包括和这个 VIVA 这个学校。这个 VIVA 这个学校就是乌干达税务局的董事会董事长的这个学校，他们和他们一起给他们讲这个目前的自己的困难，也是希望他们的家长和他们一起能够把这个问题解决掉。过去一直在做这个事情。
We mainly deal with public schools, government-funded schools.
My name is Liang Li. I'm a director of a factory in Uganda. I'm a member of this Chinese association in Uganda. Today we come here to Busoga, this education association, because we realize that the Chinese company, we are not only invest the business, we are also giving back to the society. I have my own factory here. So for the last few years, I also always do the CSR and support some NGO. I produce the sanitary pads and I support these NGOs. They bring my pads to the schools and countryside villages to help those women and the school girls in need. And this time we come here almost 10 Chinese factories, and we have the same idea, is that we have to work together and provide Chinese students in Uganda and help those families actually in need. Thank you.
This MOU, what are you going to do in the schools?
Okay. We are very pleased that have this opportunity to sign this MOU with Busoga Education Association. In this MOU, we are trying to, at initial beginning, we are trying to help 20 schools and provide the food and the sanitary pads for them. And we realize that these school students, the most urgent for them is that to get the breakfast and lunch to keep them have the energy to learn at the class. And for the sanitary pads, we realize that when the school goes period come, they may fear to attend school, and 1 week or 2 weeks after that drop the school. So this sanitary pad can provide a small help for them to keep them instant at school. Thank you.
The teachers?
The teachers,
What plans do you have for the teachers?
For them in the future?
Yes. Okay, at the beginning, this MOU, we focus on the education of the school students. For the teachers, we also know that they make a very big effort to help these students, the learning at the school. In the future, our association also will consider that to provide some necessary support to the school teachers, like also the standard pads. The women school teachers, they also need this kind of product. I will provide some necessary support in the future. Thank you.
Tuba tweta Busoga Education Initiative. Twatandika ekitongole kino mu 2017 nga tulikuba n'abaana ba Busoga basoma bubi. Twatandika ni baba twamufuula patron, baba Obwakyabazinga. Twataako board, twataako ni mama Kadaga nga advisor. Twatandika ekibiina. Amasomero gatandika okuvaayo bulungi. Aye twagira okubona mu 2024 kayi nga tuyizeeyo tugwirire irala kayi. Mu Uganda yona districts omukaaga eddasinga okulobulidde aba Busoga. Twakanti katuyiremu twefuneko tubone bwe tunakola. So twayita retooling conference yabaidewo ku Viva College mwami Juma Kisame ni mukyala Juma Kisana baikiriza twaleeta ba head teachers bona ab'omu Busoga babaidewo 1405 twabasomesa twabatamu emisomo gya new curriculum obuvunaanyizibwa bwaibwe bufaanana butya ayi bwe twabaye tuli kwogera ino bakayata ekintu ekisinga okubaluma abaana tibalya mmere bayingira mu bibiina ng'endala eri kubaluma ate ng'essente dibaba wangu edd'omutemu okukola emmere tidimala bulungi so twaka nti ye tunaakola tutya so bwe twavaayo mu meeting nayogera ne Juma Kisaame yanka ati tugyeko mu Bakyayina bano bayinza okutuyamba Abakyayina oyo omukyayina gwe beeta Derek yambitiramu yeena nti yasoma yabonaabona ng'akaali mutooko odi biki era singa teyava mu isomero yasomeranga munajja mulinde erimu abasomesa abalungi tiyandifuuse kyali namukaa nti ife tubena tuyambeko niwe wafuuka kyoli ife mpano n'otukolera ki yakoba ati wandika proposal nawandika proposal nataamu ebintu bisatu nataamu scholastic material nataamu emmere nataamu ne sanitary pads baikiriza nti baidda tuwa emmere baidda kutuwa ne sanitary pads programu edda kuba ya myaka 2 nga tuidda kulonda amasomero 50 buli isomero tulitwalirengayo kiro nga 5 buli taamu okutopinga ku kiri gavumenti kyebawa tusuubira nti abaana abo banaanwanga buugi n'abasomesa boona baanwa buugi n'abawala twabawa sanitary pads tibaidda kukoba nti ate ife tetwasomye kuba twabaire mu period kidda kutuyambako tuyinza kulonda amasomero 50 agalinidde tulina agaife aga Busoga Education Initiative gali 22 agalinga nga nagasinga okusemba aye nakudde tugakasemba aye tuyinza kwongerako n'agandi tujje nga tugabira abaana abo obuwunga tugabira abaana abo sanitary pads ate tulina obuvunaanyizibwa obw'okujja okubona nti ddala bwe twabawa emmere baimprovinga oba baanwa buno buugi so ku endi ya mwaka tulina okwirayo kubona PLE results difaanana ditya kuba abasomesa beegemye ekintu nti abaana baba nga tebaliire bulungi n'olwekyo tebawulira aye twagira okukiringirira yakoba nti ayi bano Abakyayina bano atuwa buwunga batuwa ne sanitary pads bazira kintu kindi kyebasobola kutuwa ife tupene twetakulirenga ng'ebakoba ati bakuwa endobo wajja weevubira so mpeera tulikwenda kubasendasenda batuwe tractors mu future amasomero aganaaba nga galina eitaka tugawe go gatandike feeding program yago tuli basanufu ino olw'entegeka eno era tuwebaza ino Viva College Mwami Juma Kisaame ne mukyala Kisaame okuba nti nabaatu connectinga ku bantu bano era buli June abantu abo batuwa ebintu batuwa sets batuwa amakalaamu batuwa ebitabo batuwa curriculum batuwa ne flask edda abasomesa twajanga tugaba tweyanza ino kubanga networks nga dino nga bwe mbaboine abandi bakoya tebakola plastic abandi bakoya tebakola sanitary pads abandi bakobye nti bakola bintu bya
leero lwalina kulukulu ate lwabyafaayo ndikwenda mu ngeri y'endawulo okwebaza ekitongole kya baba ekya Busoga Education Initiative ngekulemberwa mukyala Ambassador Agnes Kalabala bakoze omulimu munene ino okutumbula ebyendegeresa mu Busoga nga bamukidi nti Busoga ebayireize ino enoma mu by'okusoma olw'ebizibu bingi ebibairewo ne challenges kamaala olwaleero tukyaziiza the Chinese Association in Uganda n'omubaka aviiremu embase eya China mu Uganda ekibaleese ni MOU gye basayiniza olwaleero wakati wa China Association ne Busoga Education Initiative ekitongole kya baba ekitutumbula ebyendegeresa mu Busoga mu MOU eyo ekikulu ekibairemu kyakuliisa abaana baife mu isomero nga mukide bulungi nti omwana baba ali kusoma endala bwe biri kumuluma ezira kyagemya so Abakyayina bano baviireyo tukoze nabo MOU ya myaka 2 ya $252 mu myaka 2 $126,000 buli mwaka nga sente edo dakula mu mmere na pads ebyobuyondo abaana baife ab'obuwala be bakozesa so twebaza ino China Association of Uganda ne Embassy ya China olwa donation iyo yebatukolere ayi mu nsonga detwogereku mu long term tuli kusaba tractors amasomero gaife gafune tractors bene besalira okuba amasomero galina amataka bene balima emmere eyo babenga basobola okweriisa so twebaza ino ekitongole kya Bay Busoga Education Initiative kyala Agnes Kalabala olw'omulimu guno omulungi byonna ne challenges ebiri mu byendegeresa mu wiiki 2 edabita twali ne session ya retooling okwegeresa aba head teachers okutambula n'omutindo n'omulembe oguliwo so byonna Busoga Education Initiative eri bikolako